मिरामार दर्यादेगेर पुनीत सागर अभियान हो उपक्रम सुरू जाला. वन गोवा गर्ल्स बटालियन आणि धेंपे कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स अँड सायन्साच्या NCC युनिटा मार्फत तो सुरू झाला. दोतोर के थेरिसा NAO धेंपो कॉलेज यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला नुक्कड नाटकय सादर केले.
ही मोहीम NCCचे देशव्यापी मोहिमेचो एक भाग आसा, जातून दर्यादेगेर प्लास्टीक आणि कोयरापासून मुक्त करपाची मोख दवरल्या. नितळसाणेचे महत्व पटोवन दिवपा खातीर जागृताय करपाचो यत्न जालो. पुनीत सागर मोहीम म्हयनोभर चालू आसतली.
This drive is organized by One Goa Girls Battalion as part of the Puneet Sagar Abhiyan, and we have 5 institutes participating in it. That is Holy Rosie School Nuwe, Kamal College Nuwe, Rosary College Navilan, Government College Kepe, and NEI.
Puneet Sagar, as the name suggests, Puneet means holy or pure in different languages. So the aim is to keep the seas clean of all the plastic wastes. The cadets have been doing the work here. They have been raising slogans of Clean Goa, Green Goa, Swachh Bharat, and they have been talking to people, interacting with them, how the plastics cause pollution and they are bad for us, the aquatic animals, plants, and in turn for humans also.
Today we are here in Sunset Beach of Bethalbat in Goa to create awareness among all the people here, local people, and also for the future generation.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.